Yeah. So today we will be covering the concept which is related to factor theorem. Let's see what exactly the concept says. Here we have already discussed. We have already discussed here that we can divide the algebraic expression also. If we are having 5x square plus 10x plus 20, we can do the division of this algebraic expression by the other, we can do the division. However, this concept is not there in your syllabus. This one is not there in your syllabus, but still we were discussing it so that you will understand that by doing the division, we are getting the quotient, we are getting the remainder, and that remainder we can directly find by using the remainder theorem, which says that you just find the zero of the divisor, you just find the zero of the divisor, whatever zero you are going to get from the divisor. Can you tell me what is the zero of this divisor? X plus 2. Yes, Ayan,
Minus
Farhan. Yes, Madhya. Yes, Ayan and Farhan.
minus 2.
What will be the yes, exactly. X equals to minus 2 will be the zero of the divisor, and when we will substitute it in the dividend, when we will substitute this x value which we got as a zero in the dividend, then whatever we are getting as a final answer, the final value, that is called the remainder. So by using this concept, few questions are there. Let's do it. Determine. See, from your book only I have taken this question. We will be discussing it how to do these questions. Determine which of the following has x plus 1 of factor. Number 1, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Number 2, x to the power 4 plus, okay, I believe this one we have done together, right? Let's do only one of it and tell me how to do it. So what we will do, we will take out the zero of the divisor. Okay, x plus 1 can divide this polynomial completely or not, that is the main question. Determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 as a factor. That means we have to check whether x plus 1 can divide the given polynomials completely or not. Then only it will be called factor. Recall that factor means if I have to list down the factor of 12, I will start thinking about all those numbers which can divide 12 completely, right? Those numbers are called the factors of 12. Factor means 2 can divide 12. So 2 divide 12 completely. So 3 is a factor of 12. Okay, 4 can divide 12 completely. So 4 is a factor of 12. Okay, 6 can divide 12 completely. So 6 is a factor of 12. Similarly, here we have to find the factor of, we have to check x plus 1 is a factor or not. So if we have to check the factor, that means we have to check after doing the division, is it possible to divide the given polynomial completely by getting the remainder as a zero. Then only we will be able to say it's a factor. Now if Ayan will answer. Ayan, if I will ask you that 7 is it a factor of 15? 7 is a factor of 15, yes or no, Ayan?
No, ma'am.
No, 7 cannot divide 15 completely. When we will do the division, we will be left with the remainder. Whatever will be the remainder, that remainder will not be 0. And if the remainder is not 0, it is not a factor. So here also we have to think like that only. We will be checking the remainder. If the remainder is not 0, it's not a factor. So this is divisor. Like this we have to, this is divisor, and the inside one, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, this is the dividend. We have to find the zero of the divisor. Can you tell me what is the zero of this divisor?
Not granted.
Yeah, what is the zero of this divisor?
-1.
Yes, Ayan, what is the zero of this divisor?
-1.
Yeah, we will be taking x plus, are gonna get x equals to -1. So x equals to -1 is the zero of this divisor. That particular x value we will be putting in our polynomial. And if the final answer will come out as a 0. Final answer means remainder. Okay. Final.
Excuse me,
I
ma'am.
don't know why it's lagging a lot. Is it lagging? Yeah.
Excuse me,
Yeah.
ma'am. Can I leave the class for a few minutes because I have to do something important?
Okay, sure.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Farhan, you are there, right? Yes, Farhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible? Okay. So, do you know how to check whether the given polynomial is a factor or not? Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to check whether x plus 1 is a factor or not? How to check it? Do you know?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's discuss it. So what we will do, we will find the zero of this x plus 1. That is x equals to -1 we are getting. That 0 we will substitute in our polynomial. So -1 cube, -1 square plus -1 plus 1. Why we are doing so? Because there was a magical formula, there was a magical theorem called remainder theorem, which is omitted from your syllabus. That theorem said that if you want to find the remainder, directly you can take out the zero of the divisor and you can substitute it in the dividend, and you will end up having the remainder. Okay, if you want to check the remainder, suppose you are going to do the division like this: x plus 1, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. If this type of division you have to perform, and your main focus is to understand, your main focus is to know what is the remainder, then you can use the remainder theorem, which says that find the zero from here, that is x value is -1, and put it in your dividend. Directly you will get the remainder. Directly you will get the remainder. You don't even have to do the division, and you will be left with the remainder. That's what the remainder theorem says. Okay, now here let's focus on the question. It says that determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 as a factor, and 3, 4 polynomials are given in the question. So one by one, what we will do, we will take out the zero of this x plus 1 and we will put it in our polynomial and we will solve it. Let's solve it. Can you tell me, Farhan, what are we going to have from here? Please solve it quickly and let me know what are we going to have from here. Yes. Are you there, Farhan?
Ian has came back.
Okay, you came back. Okay. Yes, please solve it quickly and let me know what are you getting, what value you are getting from here.
I'm 0. Mine will be 0.
Okay, so here after substituting the 0 of the given divisor, we are getting the 0 over here, and I said whatever value will come out, that will reflect the remainder. So 0 is reflecting the remainder. So we can take, now can we say that x plus 1 can divide this polynomial completely since the remainder is 0? Can we say, Farhan and Ayan, can we say that x plus 1 can divide this polynomial completely?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because remainder is, yes, it can divide the given polynomial completely, and hence x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. Can we say that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can say that. This is how we will check the factor. If suppose all of sudden 2x plus 5 is there, and we have to check whether it's a factor. Let's say 6x cube plus 5x square plus 2x plus 3, whether it's a factor or not, then what we will do, if it's a factor or not, that means we have to perform the division. Like this, the 0 or not. Okay, but there is a magical theorem rather than, which says that rather than going and to give that much effort over here, there is a theorem which says that find the 0 of the divisor. So can you tell me what will be the 0 of this 2x plus 5? Ayan and Farhan. What will be the 0 of this 2x plus 5, this polynomial? What will be the 0 of this polynomial? Yes. Yes, Farhan.
Minus
2x
minus
plus,
5 by 2.
yeah. That 0 we will substitute over here. If the answer is coming out as a 0, answer means remainder. Okay, it will always give you directly the remainder. If the answer is coming out as a 0, it's a factor. If the answer is not coming out as a 0, it's not a factor. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the next question will be like this. Use the factor theorem. Why it is lagging this much? To determine whether x is a factor of. So the question will be like this. Px is given as exactly 3x squared plus 3x plus 1, and gx is given as, we have to check whether it's a factor or not. Who will explain among, like, Ayan and Farhan? Please tell me one by one. Ayan, what can we do over here? Please tell me. Yes, Ayan. What to do over here?
I don't know.
Yes, Farhan, what to do over here? Use the factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px. Whether
Ma'am,
gx is a factor of px.
ma'am, first we find the 0.
Of What?
Uh, 0 of the factor.
Yes. What will be the 0?
Ma'am, -2.
Yes. Let's substitute it where?
Substitute it with the
Yes, substitute it and tell me. Substitute it here and tell me. What are you getting after doing the simplification? Why it is lagging this much? Yes, Ayan, you also do the simplification and tell me what result you are getting at least.
ma'am, is the answer -1?
-1 you are getting Farhan, and Ayan, what you are getting?
Ma'am, I'm still solving.
Yeah, do it. Do it and let me know.
Ma'am, I got +8.
+3. Let's check it.
Ma'am,
Yes,
+8.
+8. Yes, Madiha, you are also doing it. Can you tell me what exactly we can get from here? Yes, Madiha, are you there? Okay, let's check it. -8 plus 3 into 4, 12 plus -6 plus 1. -8 plus 12 -6 plus 1. 4 minus 6 -2. It will be -1. It will not be 8. Can you see it, Ayan?
Yes.
It will be -1. Okay. I have just done it step by step without skipping any step. I have written everything over here, and we are going to get -1 from here. And since we are, this -1 is what? This -1 is a remainder. Okay. -1 is a remainder. And if remainder is not 0, we can say that it's not a factor. -1 is what? It is reflecting the remainder. This is how every time we will find the remainder and we will check whether it's a factor or not. So eventually factor theorem is related to remainder theorem only. Every time we are checking the remainder and then we are telling that whether it's a factor or not. Since your remainder is -1, we can say that Gx is not a factor of px. See the instruction given. It is lagging so much. Use the factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px. So now can we say that gx is not a factor of px? Can we getting it,
Yes,
Ayan and Farhan?
yes, ma'am.
This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
how every time we will check the factor, whether it's a factor or not. This is how we have to check it. Now the next concept is factorize. 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Okay, here we will discuss how to split the middle term to do the factorization. Okay, how to split the middle term to do the factorization. That's what we are going to discuss over here. So at first, what we will do, just give me a second. Let me check why it is lagging so much. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see how to split the middle term to do the factorization. Okay, what is the meaning of factorization? Factorization means, suppose we are having 27, so we can factorize it as 3 into 3 into 3, breaking in a smaller part. That's what the meaning of the factorization. Now this algebraic expression we are having, polynomial we are having, you can check here the degree of the polynomial is 2 and it's quadratic polynomial. Okay, we will see how to split the middle term when we are having quadratic polynomial. So at first, the standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to plus c. Okay, now this is the standard form of quadratic equation. Okay, we will compare the given polynomial, the quadratic polynomial, with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Now can you tell me, Ayan and Farhan, what is a, what is b, and what is c, if we will compare with the standard form?
A is 6 and B is 5 and C is also minus 6.
Now we will do the multiplication of a and c. Okay, the first step is to multiply a and c. Can you tell me? 6 into minus 6 is there. You can take focus that much. Okay, 6 times 36. First, we will multiply a and c. Always, whenever we are having quadratic polynomial, to factorize quadratic polynomial, at first we are going to do the multiplication of a and c. And then what we will do? We will try breaking this a and c. We will try factorizing this a and c, whatever result we have got, by using two such number, which, like, those two number added together or maybe subtracted together will generate the middle term. Okay, we are trying to break 36 by using two such number which may be added together or may be subtracted together, is going to generate the middle term, that is 5. Okay, One example I am giving you, 9 4 times 36. 9 into 4 is 36. We have broken 36 by, we have factorized 36 by taking two number 9 and 4. Okay, now you can check here, 9 and 4 may be added together or may be subtracted together is going to generate the middle term, that is 5. So can you see 9 and 4 subtracted together is generating 5? Can you see?
Ma'am, we can take -9, right?
Getting it? You already know this concept, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If we will be taking -9 and then +4, it will generate -5, right? We have to make +5x. So 9 minus 4 is +5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ayan and Farhan, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Always
ma'am.
start with doing the multiplication of AC. After multiplying AC, this is what you have to do. Whatever number you are having, you have to think how to factorize that number by using two numbers, so that those two numbers added together or maybe subtracted together is going to generate the middle term. That is 5 for now. And that too, let me remind you, that too +5 over here. Now what we will do, we will factorize, like we can take this two together, we can take this two together, and we will take out the common factor. So can you tell me, Ayan and Farhan, what can be taken out common factor from 6x square and 9x?
Three.
Ma'am, 3.
Only 3? X also? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
3x. What will be remaining? What will be remaining?
Ma'am, 2x and 2x plus 3.
Yes, Ayan, Farhan, what will be remaining? Whatever she said, are you agreeing with her?
Yes, ma'am.
2x plus 3. Please tell me what can be taken out common factor from the next two terms. Please tell me.
We can take 2.
Yes, Ayan and Farhan. Whatever she said, that only we need to take out common factor.
Yes, ma'am.
2 plus 2 and minus 2, Ayan.
+2.
Yes, Farhan. Is it plus 2?
Wait, no, ma'am. -2.
Minus 2. Minus 2,
I
when we will take out common, we will left with 2x here plus 3. Our pocket and this bracket same. Okay, again we will take out the common factor. How? Again we are going to take out common factor. Like, can you see how many terms are there? Can you tell me over here how many terms are there? Just a moment, let me share it again. Yeah, can you tell me how many terms are there? Let me write it again. Let me turn off my video. I believe it will work better. Minus 3. Yeah, 2x plus 3. This bracket has to be same. Now, can you tell me, Ayan and Farhan, how many terms are there? Yes. Ayan and Farhan, how many terms are there? Madiha, how many terms are there?
And 2. It'll be
Exactly. Only two terms we are having over here. Multiplication will not separate the terms. If you are clear with the concept, you can see here, this is just one term because bracket is a single unit. Into x is a single thing. Into 3, all multiplied together. Okay. 3xy, whenever we are having in mathematics, recall it, it's monomial. Okay, one term is there because all are multiplied together. Similarly, 3 into x into this bracket is a single unit. Okay, bracket we will not say that it's different term. So here one term and another term, two terms we are having. And this two term, if I will ask you the same question, what is common factor? Can you see what
3x
is
minus
common
2.
factor?
3x minus 2 into 2x plus 3.
Yes, in this two term, what is common factor? Ayan and Farhan.
2x plus 3.
Yes, exactly. 2x plus 3 is common. And if I will tell you to write the remaining part, what will be there?
3x minus 2.
From circle, what is remaining? Yes, Farhan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you understanding the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is our factorized form. In one bracket, 2x plus 3. In another bracket, 3x minus 2. This is our answer. In one bracket, 2x plus 3. In another bracket, 3x minus 2. This is the complete process. Okay, 6x square plus 5x minus 6 we were having. First we did the multiplication of AC, then we tried factorizing AC by taking two such number. Those two number may be added together or may be subtracted together is going to give us the middle term. Here we realize 9 into 4 is giving the middle term. By subtracted together, we have written plus 9x minus 4x carefully because we were trying to make plus 5x. Okay, then we have taken common factor by taking the first two and the next two, and then one more time we have taken the common factor, and this is our factorized form. Is there any confusion, Ayan and Farhan?
No, ma'am.
Let me give you question, do it quickly. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. This is 1. And the next one is 3 minus 4. Do it quickly and let me know the factor of the first one, factor of the second one. Madiha, yeah, you can also do it. Note down the
Yes,
equation.
ma'am.
Okay, let me inform our team that today you are going to give the assessment of factorization. Noted? Madiha, Ayan, and Farhan.
1 minute.
Note down both the both the expressions, both the polynomials.
Done.
Noted? Okay. Just a moment. I am stopping. Yeah, do it. I am coming to that. Yeah, please continue.
Ma'am, I found the answer for both of them.
Just hold it for a while. I'm coming to you, Nadia. Yes, Ayan and Farhan. What you have got? Ayan and Farhan.
Ma'am, I didn't get the first one, but I'm doing the second one right now.
Do it. Yes, Madiha, what you have got for the first and for the second?
Ma'am, first one, x plus 3 into 2x plus 1.
Okay.
And the second one, 3x minus 4 into x plus 1.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Ayan and Farhan, let me know, then only we will proceed because already I have activated the assessment of all of yours. Like there will be factor theorem question from factor theorem, splitting the middle term. These questions will be there. So please do it. And if not clear, let me know. Yes, Farhan, tell me the first one at least.
Ma'am, ma'am, I don't know the answer for first one, ma'am.
Second one. Second one.
Second one, I got 3x plus, I got 3x minus 4, x plus 1.
Have I written it correctly? Have you got same, Matiha?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's check it. First, we will do the multiplication of A and C. That is 3 into 2. That is 6. Break this 6 by using two such number, which two number
Like,
are
we
added
can take
together or maybe subtracted together will give the
6 plus 1.
Yeah, we can take 6 into 1 is 6 and 6x plus x is 7x. Can you see it, Ayan and Farhan? This type of possibility, it can be like this also. Okay, you will think about other number, but you just have to think about 6 into 1 is 6, like that. It's that simple. Okay, so when nothing is working, please check it this way also. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me check the other one. From here you will be able to proceed, right? Tell me first one's answer. Meanwhile, let me check the second one. 4 into 3 is 12. Okay, 12 you can break by taking 4 and 3 again. But here minus x is there, so obviously minus 4x plus 3x. Minus 4, 3x square. Okay. So we can take x as a common. We are left with 3x minus 4. We can take plus 1 as a common. Yes, this is correct. I can see, Farhan, you have done it correctly. What about you, Ayan? Yes, Ayan.
Ma'am, I couldn't finish the second one.
So you were thinking about the same, whatever method, like whatever the steps we have performed over here. Are you proceeding with the same?
No, I got a different answer. Like when I was doing the answer, it's in a different way.
We are going to get 3 into 4 ion. See carefully. Here 3x square is there, minus x is there. What is our middle term? Minus 1. What is our middle term? It's minus 1. So we will try taking two such factor which may be added together or subtracted together is going to generate minus 1. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
First one, tell me the answer, Ayan and Farhan. First step, I have written it clearly over here. Tell me the next steps. If this two, if this two is done, please do the third one. That is x square minus 5x plus 6. Yes, Madhya, you also.
I got the answer.
Okay. Can you tell me what you got?
X minus 6 into x plus 1.
Okay. Yes, Ayan and Farhan, what you are getting? Yes, first one. At least let me know, Ayan and Farhan, the first one. I have written the first step, that is 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3. What two factors you are getting from here?
Ma'am, I got x plus 3 and 2x plus 1.
X plus 3 and 2x plus 4. If we will be taking 2x as a common, we will be
Ma'am,
left
no,
with x plus
it's not 4, it's 1.
2x plus 1. Yeah, perfect. Please do the next one, this one. Always you have to multiply A and C. Even if your A is 1, even if your C is 1, that is fine. But always you have to multiply A and C. Yes, done, Ayan.
No, ma'am.
Finish it. Farhan, are you doing it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I got x minus 3, x minus 2.
Let's check it quickly because now we are already running out of time. Let's check it. We will multiply A and C. A is 1 over here. No worry. 6 into 1 is 6. Now break this 6 by taking two number which may be added together or subtracted together is going to generate this 5. So there are two possibilities. One is 6 into 1. Another is 3 into 2. These two both the possibility generate both will we have to check it over here. Okay, we have to check it. Let's check it. We will be taking x square. If 6 and 1 we are going to take, then it will be minus 6x plus x. Take the common factor, you will realize that this is not working. Why? Because in one bracket we got x, another bracket we got x plus 6. Both the bracket has to be correct. So this is not working here. Okay, that's why two possibility we were getting, and here one of the possibility is not working at all. So the other one we will be taking x square minus 5x plus 6 we are having. We will break it by taking 3 and 2. Okay, so minus 3x minus 2 plus 6. Okay, now we will take out common factor from the first two. X is common factor, we are getting x minus 3. From the next two, what is common factor? Minus 2 is common factor. X minus 3 will be remaining since you have taken minus as a common factor. Each and every sign will get reversed. So this plus 6, which you can see over here, this plus 6, the remaining part will be negative. Why? Because you have taken negative common. So you are left 3 in other bracket. And this is getting,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
getting it? This is how we have to do it. Yes, Nadia is not there. Okay. Okay, Nadia, you are there. You have got x plus 6, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, that is also one of the possibility. And yeah, we will start with that one only, but later on we will realize that that is not working, because at last both the bracket has to be same, then only again we will be able to take out common factor. So this is not working over here, so we have to think about the other possibility.
Ma'am, we can take x square plus x minus 6 plus x, right? Like, we can just
Let's
shift
take,
the terms.
okay, if we will shift it, then also it will not work. See, x square plus x minus 6x plus 6. Okay, if we will take common from the first part, can you tell me, Madiha, what is common?
X,
X
ma'am.
is common, right?
Yes, ma'am.
X is common.
Then it will be x into x plus
Let me
1.
check. Mhm. And from the next two, what is common, Madiha?
Ma'am, we can take 6 as common, so it will be minus 6